Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy meal that you can prepare anytime you like. Let's first take a look at what we need to make this dish. For this recipe, we are going to need chicken breast, 4 sausages, some noodles, some bok choy, garlic, eggs and few spices. Now let's see how we prepare this delicious meal. First, we will need a frying pan with a little space. Place the pan on the stove and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we add in your chicken breast. Sprinkle the chicken breast with a pinch of salt and pinch of pepper. Once the chicken breast is fried, we need to slice into small pieces just like this. Now we will add the sausages to the pan and give those a quickly fry as well. Next we need to add the chopped garlic. After the garlic has been fried lightly, we are going to add some spring onions. Now add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of red paprika. Give this mixture nicely good stir and mix everything together. Fry for about 2 minutes. Now let's add the 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Add our noodles. Once the noodles are cooked through, we will add 1 tablespoon of chicken stock and few more spring onions. Now for the greens, we will add our pre-cooked bok choy. Just blanch it in hot water for 30 seconds. Then immediately put in cold water before adding into the noodles. We will also add the hard-boiled egg. Finally, we garnish the dish with tomato ketchup, some sesame seeds, a few dill leaves, and some extra spring onions for the beautiful finish. This meal is truly delicious and so easy to prepare. So please you guys try making it and let me know how it went. Be sure to share your thought with me in comments below. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time when we meet again with new recipe, goodbye and have a wonderful day.